Chris here from White Bulls Barbecue. I'm down here at American River Ace Hardware. We're working on the Timberline today from Traeger, of course. We have some pork belly burn ends going, and this is gonna cover Valentine's Day and the Super Bowl simultaneously. We got barbecue, chocolate covered strawberries, and we're using pork belly burn ends to do it. First 2 hours at 225 until they reach about 165, 175 internal. Then you're gonna throw them in a pan, hit them with that jam, put them back on with a little bit of butter until they hit 205, and we're ready to throw that chocolate on. Let's go. Okay, so once you reach 175, you're gonna mix these with strawberry jam from Smucker's and a little bit of butter. Throw that back on and crank it to 300. That's gonna start that rendering process. Once it reaches 200 with your internal probe, pull them off, let them set 15 minutes to get some tack. I suggest that you actually do a few rounds of the Smucker's while you're going from 175 to 200 for the best strawberry-ish result. Once they're off, you can get weird with it. We poured a little Ghirardelli on top. Now you got chocolate strawberries. If you just want to do it the strawberry way, amazing too. Check this out. You'll be glad you did.